Hi, I'm Jamie and this is Kirk and we're with Poolscape Unlimited. We're a family-owned company that's been serving the beautiful San Diego County for over 35 years with pool plastering and renovation services. Today we're out here at a new pool remodel and we'd like to walk you through the process and show you what a pool remodel entails. Kirk, can you tell us about the problems that are going on in this pool?
Just like any old pool, it comes with a set of problems. In this particular pool, the tile's falling off, and the pool plaster has seen its lifespan. So this is going to be pretty simple for our company. We're simply going to remove the tile, we're going to remove the plaster, and we're going to go to a more advanced pool interior finish that gives us all kinds of latitude in different colors and options, and a very tasteful tile job as well. So in the end, it's going to be a beautiful transformation.
The smallest transformations in your backyard can bring so much value and appeal to your house. This pool is going to be awesome for entertaining and a real nice showpiece for these homeowners. So come with us as we walk you through the process of turning this pool into something beautiful. The first step in the process is to empty the water out of the pool.
What we do is we'll drain it to the street, and of course we make sure there's no chlorine or any chemicals in the water, so we'll neutralize it. We're in the sewer. Should be good to go. Just plug her in and we're set.
Today is the demolition portion of the remodel of the swimming pool. We're going to start with cutting up here in the tile line. We like to keep that line because we are going to remove all the existing tile and install new tile. And they're going to take pneumatic air hammers that we have and take the plaster right back down to the original structure of the swimming pool. They're careful of going around all the lines not to break them. Careful with the coping, just removing all the tile. It's loud, it's dusty, it's a great day to go to the mall. They work extremely hard and we'll be able to prep all of this in one day. This is the old original main drain for the swimming pool. So to upgrade this to compliant situation, you need to prep and split this pipe into 3-foot separation with 2 different covers. Another thing we found on this pool, which is common when you have a raised wall against the flower bed of the pool, as you can see, moisture is wicking actually through the wall. As you can see, the tile's got a gap in here, and it's only being held together by the grout that is on the tile. It's not bonded to the wall at all. We will grind all this down. We'll put in a waterproofing membrane between the wall and the new existing tile to keep it from falling off in the future. So the new beautiful tile that we put on this wall is going to last for years and years. Now we are on the tiling stage of the swimming pool. It's a big wall. You want it drawn to your eye. You want a design feature in the wall. So what we're doing here is a waterline tile here. Here we're going to run a layer of this glass tile. He's going to do 3 rows of this. So this portion will be glass around that whole raised wall to the spa. It makes it more of a design, more of an artistic piece than just a lot of tiles sticking up on that wall. I'm glad that Luis is here with his partner because he does very intricate, detailed, and it needs to be right. We don't want to get in here and throw up tile, finish your pool, and then move on to the next one. We want these to each be a unique Poolscape refinishing, remodeling your backyard.
Well, today's the big day. Time to put the icing on the cake. The beautiful tile job that we did, we've covered with the Visqueen and to protect it, keep the pool plaster rig out back. And we're mixing all the materials and they're going to be pumping it in through the hose. We make several passes around, as you'll see, using the trowels to contour the bottom of the pool and lay the shell down. You can see the color matrix, cement color going in that'll really complement the tile. I mean, it's a perfect match. Then they take these wands here With this pressure pump, it's a high pressure pump that rinses the surface. It puts out a fine mist of water that just removes enough of the cream layer that exposes the pebbles to the surface. All the glass and the abalone and the aggregate in the finish. And we work the walls, the spa, the steps, and we work our way right down like painting yourself into the corner. And by that time, the pool finish is pretty hard and we can actually make our way out of the pool at that point. The next day, we have a process of acid washing the finish to give it the final luster and cleaning. And from that point, we'll start filling it. And I'll tell you, I'm really excited to see the water go in this pool because between that tile and the bottom of our finish, it's gonna be some incredible watercolor.
All right, you guys, so here we are. It's been about 10 days since we began this project. That dilapidated old pool from the 80s has made an amazing, amazing transformation, and we can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. Come on.
We took that old 80s 3x3 tile and changed this really beautiful blue glistening tile, and we accented it with this glass tile, and you can see the reflection of the colors in the water of that glass tile. Our inlaid pebble top main drain covers, really kind of sets off the finished appeal. You can see that glass tile on the steps that ties in with the accent tile on the back wall that really showcases the colors.
Before, you walked back here and it was a bit of an eyesore, but now you look back here and it literally sparkles when you look at it.
A lot of our projects can be a lot more involved, where we're adding Baja shelves, shallowing the pools, adding new coping edge, pouring new decks, interlocking paver systems, updating the plumbing and the equipment. So there's a lot of offerings that we can do that really bring the pool up to date, but simply by just resurfacing and retiling your pool, look what you can get. Thank you for following along on this pool project, and we hope it helps understand the processes, and we hope to see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.